Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and we're going to take a look today at the 32 Saxdor. This is a new 2026 model. This is powered with the V8 joystick piloting 300 Mercuries, done in the white. So that's really nice in Florida, because when you come over and lean on these, touch them like that, when it's 98 degrees outside, your hands don't get really hot. This is a super versatile boat as far as the layout goes. And when you look inside here, first you're going to see the interior. This one we got done in what's called the Florida blue. It's kind of a light blue. Super nice looking color on this. Stays cool in the summer. Again, we're going for that. Another thing that's really versatile about this boat is it has a terrace on the port and starboard side that folds out. So if you're anchored up somewhere, you can lay these terraces down on both sides, and that's going to add about 3 foot of beam to both sides. So it's going to extend this boat by about 6 feet on each side. So that's the first thing that's really neat. Next thing, look at the amount of seating on this. If you like a boat for entertaining or just cruising around, this aft facing seat here, these two sets of seats right here. And just real quickly, we can change this. This does a lot, but we have to show you what else it does. You need to come and see it in person. But we can take this, we can move this forward, and then we've got a summer kitchen right here. 2-burner stove, sink, drink holders, refrigerators. Again, move up to the helm. Lots of seating on this boat. 3 nice wide seats here with flip-up thigh-rise bolsters on them. Captain is positioned right in the center. Easy to stand up and drive, but if you want to sit down, just pop that thigh-rise bolster up. Very comfortable seating position as well. Tilt steering wheel. Again, this has got the joystick pilot on it. 2 Simrad multifunction displays on here, so your GPS, your depth finder, all your engine information, it's already on here. This is already all pre-rigged from the factory. VHF radio down below, and then we've got a bow thruster right here, right next to your shift and throttle controls. One more quick look at one other thing on here. We'll walk up to the bow. So there's a nice cushion that goes right here. They didn't bring it in from inside yet, but anyway, if you can picture a nice big double wide cushion here in the front. It's done in the Florida blue as well. These are the windows that go down into the cabin. So again, more seating. There's enough comfortable seating on this boat for like 16, 18 people. And then here in the front, you can see your anchor windlass system. Super nice, heavy duty, polished stainless steel. This is a beautiful boat, bow to stern. If you want a private showing on it, give me a call on my cell phone, 904-625-6146. I'm Grant Drooksma at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach.